Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert dotted line shape in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I insert dotted line shape in this document. At first you have to go insert menu, then you can see here are drawing option, then click plus new option. Now you can see here are drawing interfaced. Now I insert a line shape. You can see here are line shape, just draw it. Now make white better 8 pixels, then I make it dotted line shape. Click this here and you can see here a dotted option, just press it, then press save and close. Now you can see I insert dotted line shape in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.